And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create titles in Premiere Pro. Let me drag some footage in my timeline. I'll unlink it and then delete the audio track, we don't need it. And I'll cut it a bit shorter, 10 seconds should be enough to show the effect properly. And then I create default transitions. And I want to add a title, maybe around here after 3 seconds. So I go to File, New and Legacy Title. Width and height are automatically adjusted to your footage. And I give it a name, let's call it Winter. And click on OK. In my current Premiere Pro version, this window opens automatically, where you can add some text as a title in this case. Let me resize it so you can work with this right panel. Or you can work with the basic features here on top. Let me change the font. You can make it bold, but I want to have it regular. And I'll increase the size by simply dragging it. Let me center it, you can do so over here. And there are a lot of additional options, for example underline. That looks fine, I want to have that. You can add strokes or a shadow and then color the shadow. We don't need one here, and you can color the background as well and change it from solid to different preset. And you've got these default presets that you can simply type on. There are lots of them, just scroll around, find new ones. But I just want to get back to what I had initially, so I press Ctrl Z to get back until I've arrived at this one. Simply close this window and you've got your winter text title here, and you can drag and drop it in your timeline and resize it and give it default transitions as well. And now let me play the clip. There's the default transition to the footage, and there is the title with its default transition. Fade out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.